Right, this is Paul and Angie's Citroen Berlingo
XTR, is it?
XTR, yeah. It's a beautiful vehicle as well. Now, you probably remember Paul, who had Django the Kangoo, so unfortunately, Django has gone, but we've got the Citroen Berlingo, so
Slim Shady.
Slim Shady. So, how long have you had it, Paul?
Since January.
Since January. And is there anything different inside you've been buying, or?
Yeah, we've got a few new things. Thought new vehicle, new stuff. So we got a new boot jump. We've gone for the Campal simple.
Right.
We've also gone for a Jackery, although we're on the electric hookup today. But one or two new things. We've got a router for the internet.
So are these all set up now?
All set up.
Can we have a quick look?
You certainly can.
Right, let's do that.
You'll have to excuse the mess.
Doesn't matter. That's what camping's all about.
So, first thing is, we've got the
Oh, you got the Campal.
Campal simple
Yeah.
in black with the pull-out tray.
Yeah.
Um,
All top quality, of course, Campal.
yeah,
Expensive,
definitely.
but
Yeah,
you get what you pay for.
that's it. We've got a new Jackery, the Jackery 1000.
Oh, the 1000 Jackery, yeah.
Just charging Mandy's little 240 watt at the moment.
Yeah. That's what she's here, is she?
How's my Jackery?
You're at 26%.
You're just doing a video, Mandy.
Shall we start again?
No, we'll keep that bit in. So yeah, that's the 240 one. That's what I've got. So that's Mandy's. You're just charging it up for her, aren't you?
Yeah.
Because she fell asleep with all the lights on and the heating and
That's
everything
it.
else.
We've got the solar panel, the Solar Saga.
So that's a new one, because you had the, was it a Dockier one you had last time?
And I've also got the Dockier as well.
So are you using, can you use both of them on the Jackery?
I can use both of them on Jackery.
Yeah.
But I've had to bodge a cable together to make the lead up.
Right.
Because a normal Jackery will come with a little pin.
Yep.
But the Jackery 1000
They've
comes
changed
with
it,
the
have they?
big pin.
Great.
So
Why did they have to do things like that?
I don't know. It's an absolute pain in the rear end.
Yeah.
You know, so I can now run 2 solar panels off it.
Yep.
This one's I think it is a 200 watt. So I can get 400 watts charging on a good day. So it shouldn't take long to charge that. Another new thing we've got is a new TV bracket.
Oh yeah.
So
That's
that
cool, isn't it?
just comes out. I'll not put it on because of copyright.
Yeah, yeah.
And we've also got the Huawei Plus router.
And is that doing the job for you?
Yes.
You're pleased with it, yeah?
It seems to be working all right at the moment. We can run Netflix and everything else we want.
Yeah.
Especially at like campsites on Riverside. You can't get the TV signal.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we can still watch Jackery, internet and Netflix and that lot. So at the moment it is just trial and error, but it seems to be working all right. But apart from that, everything's virtually like Django. The setup's virtually the same. The only difference is we've got the new blackout blind cover on the front.
Yeah, makes a big difference, that, doesn't it?
Angela's made some bunting.
Yeah, she's been knitting some bunting, hasn't she?
Knitting.
She's very good at crocheting and knitting, isn't she?
You know.
I think she must enjoy it, because I think something like that, you must enjoy doing what you're doing.
You know.
Because I bet it takes a long time to do all the...
There's one or two teething troubles.
Yeah.
We had another game changer with the fixing the curtain poles up. I managed to find some big curtain hooks.
Right.
Which are them.
So where did you find them?
Just off the internet.
Yeah.
And they actually just slot.
What they actually call, what would people look for?
I don't know, I'd have to message you that one.
Yeah, because I know that's what people want to know.
Yeah, and then that just slots in there. And that holds the curtains up.
Yeah.
Because obviously with the brand
So
new...
you've got your curtain pole here. There's no drilling. You've not drilled into the vehicle, have you?
There's that.
That just goes up.
But we are going to change this, because every time you get in, you bang your head.
You bang your head, yeah, because it is a bit low.
So,
see, I've got mine. I mean, mine's a Rifter, but it's the same vehicle. Mine's from there, so you've got that little bit higher.
Yeah.
So you're not banging your head.
But what I am going to do is get a pole bent to this shape.
Yeah.
Take that out and get a fixing put from there.
So you can get like a track, can't you, for curtains? But that's a different setup completely. But
you know, but I'll have
the easiest way is the pole, I think, like you've done.
Yeah. You know, we'll be getting the computer back in next time we're out.
Yeah.
So that'll go back in. It's just trial and error at the moment, see what we can use and what we can't use.
Cool,
and
so you've bought quite a few new things, haven't you, since you've bought the new vehicle?
New vehicle. We are thinking of a different setup for this, and a new tailgate awning.
Yeah, Ange was saying.
This is seen its better days.
So if anybody watching this knows of a good tailgate awning, other than the Harpenner's base and that, because if you look, see, it depends what vehicle you've got, but mine's the same. If you have it over the top, you've got that gap there, so when it rains,
it comes in.
It comes in, and it's not ideal.
You know, the old one was better, but whether it'd fit this style of car, I don't know.
Yeah. Well, if anybody knows, anybody watching the video, if you know what sort of side awning, you know, because side awnings are more popular, I think.
Yeah.
If anybody knows any side awnings that'll fit on the back of a Berlingo type vehicle, just drop it in the comments and I'll let Paul know.
Yeah. But it is looking a bit tired now, and we do need.
Yeah. Well, I've got one the same, as you know. It's I've had 3 of these, to be honest. I've had 3, and I think they're very good. But you've always got 1 or 2 problems fitting it over the boot of the car, over the tailgate.
Yeah.
And you've got bits of a gap, haven't you?
Yeah. That's the only trouble with it.
Oh.
You know. But
and you've still got all your tough crates there. With
the new Slim Shady sign. Actually, the difference inside the vehicle itself is it's bright orange.
Yeah.
Automatic, 8-speed gearbox.
Right.
Petrol, and it flies down the road.
I love the way you've got it with all the, you know, the orange seat. Obviously that's how it come, but you think you have you bought the cover for the
the
wheel?
We got the steering wheel cover to match.
So,
And as you've probably noticed on the front, the decal.
Yeah,
matches.
I've already filmed that bit, but I'll show people who might have missed it.
Oh, these are a good
That's
brand.
a Slim Shady decal. Yeah, I do fancy one of them
It's
for mine.
Fuel Lagoon.
Right. And they do to fit different vehicles?
Yep.
Or presumably this one would fit a Peugeot Rifter.
I think so.
And maybe the Toyota Pro Ace Verso City.
Probably. I've no idea.
And probably a Vauxhall Campal as well, because they're all the same car, aren't they?
Yeah.
Virtually.
You know, and they are good. You know,
So,
but it's.
do you mind me asking how much that was?
About £45.
About 45 quid. And they do different designs
Yeah.
and different colours and what have you, don't
You
they?
can have different eye colours. So,
Yeah, it looks cool. I mean, I did like Django, I must admit. Django and all the decals you had on that.
We like Django,
was really
but
good.
it was the cost. The road tax on Django was £395. The
Yeah,
road tax on here, £190.
yeah.
You know, it's.
Plus, it's a newer vehicle, so
Yeah.
you'd expect it to be
Hopefully
not
less
to have too many
maintenance.
problems. You did a hell of a lot of work to Django, though, didn't you, Paul?
Yeah, we spent a lot of money on it.
Yeah.
You know, but we've since found out it's gone to another home, and whoever bought it has got a bloody good car.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
Of course.
But it's just.
But you're happy with Slim Shady, obviously.
Yeah, we seem to be
Yeah.
at the moment. You know, so.
Right, well, cheers, Paul. Thanks a lot, mate, for showing us
problem.
around the new vehicle. And
If we get any more new stuff, we'll give
Yeah,
you a
let us
shout,
know.
let you know.
but try and send us a link to them curtain hooks, because
Yeah. Yeah. in
I could
fact,
possibly use some of them. So,
I think I've got them off Amazon.
yeah.
Let me just check.
I think what it is, you don't know what they're called, do you? If you knew exactly what they
Yeah.
were called. I had problems with the roof bar because I didn't know what the bolts were called that slide into the track on the roof bars,
Yeah.
and it took me ages to find out that, and I just come across them and thought, them are the ones. But,
There we are. Metal curtain hooks. Pinch pleat heads. $6.99 Amazon.
Right. So send me a link and I'll put it up on screen after, just in case people are interested. But it's all these little bits and pieces, the little things that people can't find, and you don't know the names, you don't know what to search for, but you get there in the end, hopefully.
That's it.
So once again, cheers, Paul. Thanks a lot
No
for
problem.
that, and we'll catch up with you soon. Yeah.
Yep, you
Cheers,
certainly
mate.
will.